Hey guys, welcome back to Old Rascal's Garage. Me and the other old rascal. My dad, he's over somewhere. We're fixing to get into this old 1980 Chevy C30 we got with the Holmes 440 on it and the broke steering column. Will it run? It has. It's gotten now where it don't want to crank because of this boogered up steering column. So we're going to get that thing jerked out and put one in it with a key. So we won't have to be pushing on the rod all the time. I think it may be causing our cranking problems. Run across a bad accident on the interstate. We've luckily, thank God, the truck driver was able to escape, but you can take a look at it here as we saw it. Watch out for them truck drivers, guys. They got a hard job to do, just like the public safety people on the interstate. I think he hit something that caused him to lose control and I think burnt to the ground. But keep these guys on your mind, on your prayers. They got a hard job to do out there, but like I say, luckily everybody's all right. But let's get into this old 440. Yeah, come hang out with us, guys. We ain't got no blower or twin turbos to put on it, but we ain't gonna melt the motor down. It barely got almost 20 pounds of oil pressure, so we ain't gonna do that right now. But we're gonna fix the thing up and see if we can get it where we can use it around here. Yeah, under the hood, in the hood. Old JYD truck. Comment, tell us where you're from and what you're working on. We'd like to hear from you and your stories. We're just working on our old junk around here.
I'm standing these bolts up behind.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the old seat out of the way. And we can get past our guts. Give us some room to move around a little bit. Dash out, to get that steering column out, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it out because I'm gonna see if I can run across me another decent dash pad.
Got a lot of crud around.
Yeah, we're gonna get in here and get this column taken out of here. We got these two big bolts up here to drop. And I think there's 4 or 5 up there to mount that little plate to the firewall. We'll get them pulled out. Undo the 2 wire plugs there to go in for the switch to the column where you're cranking and blinkers. I'm gonna do a little scrubbing down and painting in here. It's got a little surface rust here and there, but I think it'll work pretty good. We're gonna clean it up, paint it, and put that new dash pad on it and put it in the glove box in. My brother-in-law got me. Appreciate that, brother-in-law. That two-piece column there comes loose and you can separate it and get it out and around the column there.
That's some big and black now.
Yeah. Get that out of the store.
Let's see if I can get this down. This is gonna be a job right here.
Took the ignition switches and plugged them back into the slots there where they go. We'll take that off later. It ain't bothering nothing right now. Hey, she'll run, man. We got her going with the key now. We don't have to keep pushing the rod like we're some kind of thief. But we got her.
Hey guys, got that steering column in by me. Done a good job on that thing. It was a pain, but we got it.
Yeah.
We appreciate you watching. Come
Hey.
back next week. We'll gather up something else.
Yeah, hey, if you don't mind, hit that like, comment, and share. Apparently that helps out on the YouTube thing. Also, hit the subscribe button. We'll be tearing into something else. We're going to do some sanding, painting. We're going to do some interior work on it. Try to get the whole thing back roadworthy again. We appreciate you watching, guys.
See ya.